welcome to Optional Enterprises watch list for November 25th, 2019, week of Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. And we're going to start off with ticker symbol CHWY. And you see we've got a great volume candle sitting right here. And essentially what we're looking for is a break of 23 for a reversal to the upside. First target 23.93, second target 24.65. We take a look at our option chain here. See, it doesn't tell us a whole lot in the near term, but if we go out a little further, we see a large concentration of open interest right here. These are our 22s and 2250s, and these were actually added on the 17th and 18th of November. So we jump back over to the chart and we look at the 17th and the 18th, which would be here and here. We've got ads on this date, and what do we see right after that? A large volume candle. So that's telling us that we're looking for a pretty good move to the upside. So we're looking for a break of our 23 level right there, for a shoot up, possibly a retest of this trend line, and then a rise back up to 24.65. That's the target for Chewy, and let's move on to the next one. Alright, so our next symbol here is Luckin Coffee, LK, for the ticker symbol, and we're in a strong rally for this one, but it is triggered for a reversal. However, we're sitting on some pretty green volume right now. You can see that down here and there. So this is pretty strong, and we're in uncharted territory, so this is a great situation to look for a continuation rather than a reversal. Our volatility is pretty high, so once that volatility decides to come crashing down, that's when we could be looking for the reversal back down. As it stands though, we're looking for it to hold this 29.10 area for a rally higher up through 30, possibly up to the 31, 32 areas. If we jump over to our option chain here, we can see that we don't have a whole lot of action. We did have one interesting trade right here with 3,000 traded at the 30s. So we're going to want to see what that turns into Monday, but it's acting as a resistance zone at the moment. We can't break above 30, which currently the underlying is at 29.85. We can't break above that 30 area, then we're looking for a fallback down, and we could be seeing anything as low as maybe this 28.50 area. So that's it for Luckin Coffee. It is a continuation trade. So one more time, we'll jump back over to the chart and we'll take a look at it. Essentially, all we're looking for is for this 29.10 to hold for a rally higher up through 30, hopefully hit that 32 area. If, however, we can't hold this 29.10, then we're looking for a fall back down to 27.13. Alright, so our next symbol here is ticker symbol CVS, CVS Health Corporation. And this one is triggered for a reversal to the downside. However, we're looking at some pretty strong volume and a nice tight consolidation zone right here. So we're sitting right at a resistance level of 75.67. I would be looking for this to continue higher, possibly up to the 78.06. But I wanted to see a break above this 75.67 before I decide to get long into this one. If we go over to our options here, we can see we've got a nice strong position sitting over here at our 75s. And we see that there's 1,000 that have been traded. If this is an add to these existing 786s, then we could definitely be looking as high as 76.50. After there, I'd be looking for a reversal down because we'll be hitting some pretty strong resistance. So one more time, we'll jump over here and we'll take a look at the chart. Essentially, all we want to see is a break of this 75.67 for a rally up to the 78 target area there. I'd be looking for a reversal and a retest of this trend line. Alright, so our next symbol here is ticker symbol MGM. And we can see that we're running into some pretty strong resistance up here. So 32 being our pretty strong resistance, we've got one resistance line here and then a prior day that also confirms this resistance. Now I realize that these are inside days, 1, 2, 3, all inside days of this prior day's candle. So if we can't get above this 32 area, we're looking for a fall back down to the support zone, which is around 31.50. And I'd be looking for some entries there into some long positions. But a break below 31.50, that would be our signal for a short down to our lower areas, maybe 31 and then 30. Alright, ticker symbol XBI is our next symbol here, and we are looking for a breakout on this one. Continuation trade to the upside, looking for 90, around 90 being our target. You can see that'd be about $2. After we hit that 90 target, then be looking for that fall back down to around 87.50 and then down 86.63. So first rise up to 90, second we're looking for that bounce off 90 for the reversal, which is triggered. Next symbol we have here is Twitter, TWTR, and this one is setting up for a great move to the upside. We can see we've just gotten above that last large block trade that we found around 29.85, and we're sitting pretty firmly on some nice volume. So essentially we're just looking for 29.85 to hold for a rise up maybe to 31.50. Next symbol we have here is ticker symbol XLV, and this one is triggered for a reversal to the downside. So essentially we are looking for the 98 to break. If we can get 98 to break, looking for a pullback to 97.01. After this pullback to 97.01, I'd be looking for a retest of these highs. We can't break above those highs for that rally on this nice volume that we have here. Then we're looking for a fallback down, eventual break 97.01, and then a fallback. So initially we're looking for a pullback to 97.01 this week. Okay, our next symbol here is ticker symbol UNH. This one again triggered for a reversal to the downside. So we're looking for a break at 275. Break at 275, and then we're looking for that pullback to 271.55. Don't expect it to go too much lower because you can see that we shot straight up on some pretty strong volume, and we expect this rally to hold. So a pullback to 271.55 would confirm this trend line here. That's all we're looking for this week. And finally, ticker symbol XPE, EXPE, Expedia Group. You can see that we've got a nice J forming right here. This is a great opportunity for a short-term rise to the upside. Essentially, we're just looking for some intraday action to hold on our 1-minute chart for a rally up to the 10 EMA. So we're looking for around 99 this week, which is about our resistance zone. That does it. I want to thank you for watching my watch list this week. I hope you found it helpful. Wishing you profits, and I'll talk to you next time.